Hello viewers, welcoming you again to Monmoy's vlog. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Today I am here with another video, and this video will also be a review of a product from the brand Oriflame, and it is from Love Nature range, and it is a face mask or clay mask. I will show you the packaging of it and also by applying on my face, so that you can see the before and after result. So let's enjoy the video. It is the clay mask from Love Nature for all skin types, and it has purifying apple. Oriflame has another some variants also for different skin concern. Its net content is 10 ml and it comes in a box like this, and inside the box there is another pouch available, in which we will find the creamy mask. Its texture is like cream. So I'm going to open it. I have already washed my face and it is now makeup free, so I'm going to apply this on my skin. So I put it in dots. We have to avoid the eye area. I'm using the mobile as a mirror. Let me apply it evenly on my face. And here, this is my ghost avatar, and I will keep it on my skin for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will wash it off, and after washing my face I will come back here again. So don't skip and keep watching my video. Hello, I'm back after washing my face. My skin feels smoother than before and of course you can see, is there any difference or not on my skin. So after using this, I feel that it is better for summer days because it removes the excess oil and impurities from skin. It will be better to use in summer than in winter days. And thank you for watching the video. Keep watching for more such videos. And if you like the video, then please comment me below and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.